Welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show. So guys, today I'm going to explain tiger meme airdrop. So now we start and using math 59 minus 25. So the result 34. So now I'm just airdrop rules continue, channel join and group join. Okay, done. And Twitter and retweet follow and just retweet click repost. Okay, now switch your account. Okay, just open LinkedIn. So guys, now I'm just holding and login my account. Okay, login done and follow. Okay, just switch Telegram bot and done. Now I'm just typing my Twitter username 4 and then LinkedIn profile optional, so I'm just copy paste my username. It's not my company because my LinkedIn account just normal profile, so I'm just click profile. Okay, profile and then copy URL profile, just copy, choose Telegram and paste here, send, done. Okay, done. Advertiser channel done. Now paste BIP20 address and DCP address, just copy and switch and send. Okay, done, complete. So guys, now you can easily join this airdrop. Goodbye.